It is important to recognize unnecessary activities and unnecessary actions in order to free up your time and energy for the activities and actions that will serve your goals, your values, and your well-being. Time management, prioritization, and work-life balance are essential skills that you need to perform great in life and achieve the goals that you want to achieve. Let's start with number one unnecessary activity, and this is a multitasking. Now, what I mean with the multitasking is not to do things at the same time. It's already proven that it does not work. But what I mean is not to have too many projects going on simultaneously. I remember my first months traveling to Warsaw, to Poland. I had a lot of speeches there, and at the same time, I was engaged in coaching, writing book, creating a course, writing blog on LinkedIn, and a couple of other projects at the same time. And you know what? When you work on all of them simultaneously, let's say today I'm only writing a book and tomorrow I'm giving a speech, it will not really work. Your headspace, everything that is here, will be focused a little bit everywhere. So you're not focused and you don't have significant results. The results that you feel good after achieving. You don't get this boost of endorphins. That's why you don't feel that great and you are less motivated. So don't multitask not only on the daily basis, but also on the projects. Try to have maximum 3 different projects at a time. Number two is unfortunately screen time. Excessive, too much screen time that has no purpose. So yes, we do take the phone to check videos and rest. No, don't do this because you will be distracted. Nothing will stay in your head. Go for a walk. This is the best thing to do. Or talk with someone. Don't go on the screen. Even the worst thing is if you were doing something on the screen, on computer, and then you're switching to your phone. It has to have purpose. Let's say you can even train your focus by watching videos and saying, okay, now I want to learn something from that specific video or some random video. Then you have a purpose. Without purpose, no screen time. This is the worst. 21st century, it doesn't work. No, we are too much in that. Unnecessary activity, one of the worst. Number 3 is gossip and negative conversation. Let me ask you a question. Do you think that gossip or negative conversation somehow develops you, gives you some benefit? And here you have your answer. This is how it works. And that was number 3. Number 4 is unplanned purchases. So the thing is, when you do this spontaneous shopping, first of all, you are losing time and you are cluttering your space. You're buying things that you don't really need, and at the end, you end up with the mess. And when you have a mess on your working desk or in your flat, your thoughts are distracted with all this clutter. And then this clutter is transformed and reflected, mirrored in your head. Please, that's one of the things you need to avoid. Number 5, we already talked about excessive screen time that does not serve any purpose. The same is a web surfing. When you're surfing and trying to find some information which you even don't know what are you searching for. Ask yourself a question if you're distracted. What will bring smile to your face and make you feel good in your apartment or in your office without surfing and without engaging in any screen activity? Screen activity, because web surfing is part of it, right? The last one for today is the routine waste of time. And by this I mean activities and habits and rituals that you do on daily basis that are not really serving any of your purposes. So for example, reading news in the morning. This is not something that I need, so I'm not reading this. If you don't have specific purpose, if you are not a journalist or you are not working in this area, or you don't have some meeting where you need to discuss, don't start your morning with news. That could be quite a good thing to do later on as relaxation, but not in the morning. This will be not purpose-based. And relaxation, there is a purpose to get relaxed. And switch your thinking from your work somewhere else to get those parts of the brain needed for your work to relax and recharge. Now, take time, 1 minute, 1 minute, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, and think about what are those activities that you're doing on daily basis that take your time, that are taking routinely over and over and over again your time. I hope this helps. Take care. See you there.